Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's the last day of July. Well, I think it is anyway. 31st of July. It's about 5:15, so it's tea time here in Blackpool. Thought I'd come out and do a few clips. Put a vlog together down in the South Shore area. And then I might make one in the town. Because this weekend we've got the Rebellion weekend and some of the punks are arriving, so I might be able to capture a few of them in the town, but that will be on a separate video. So I hope you're all doing well. Gorgeous weather still here in Blackpool. There's that tower in the distance there. Yes. If you haven't ever visited this Velvet Coaster Wetherspoons, it's got not bad in here actually. It's a little bit dearer than some of the other Weatherstones. As you know, they vary their prices. But of course, on the third floor there, they've got a roof section, open air roof section, which is really nice. Yeah, as you can see, it's really busy still here in Blackpool. There is a breeze, so apologise if you're picking that up. But we'll give you some of the views off South Pier, shall we? I'm not going to do a walk on South Pier because we've done it recently, but yeah, let's get on that pier and show you some views. Just briefly, I did mention to you about this Player Sports Bar that's here. It's got an outside garden area, which is here to the left, but I did recently show you that, so just for anybody that didn't watch it. So this is the view we've got this evening, looking off South Pier at 5:15 in the evening. Yeah, so just a brief visit on the pier there, just to show you the views, and yeah, we will work our way back up, but let's just get on the beach and spend a little time walking on the beach, bit of people watching, and then we shall head back up slowly and do some general people watching and enjoy this fantastic weather we've got here in Blackpool. Yeah, so we've been on the beach before, but we haven't been down on the beach this far down. So yeah, this is South Pier in front of me. Just come on the beach, you know, it's 5:30 in the evening. It gives you a better idea of the amount of people that's out and about in the sea and the water's edge. Look at it. There is a wind, so we won't keep the camera on too long. But we are in Blackpool and we are on the beach. Get that. Yeah, 5:30 in the evening, still loads of people out and about. Beautiful that I can just come and walk on this and enjoy it. I genuinely enjoy it. This isn't about me. It's about my health and just enjoying it. Anyway, stop waffling, Mark. Turn the camera off for a little while. Catch up with your viewers in a little while. Yeah, the tide is starting to come in very slowly, and obviously it starts down this end. So we've got the beach patrol. They're doing a fabulous job there, keeping an eye on everybody as the tide slowly comes in. My days, look at the walk I've given myself now. Well, I did cheat and come down on a tram, so I have to pay the price, don't I? I feel like I'm miles and miles away from home now. Yeah, that's me off the beach. The shoes are a bit mucky, but they're waterproof, so can't feel anything. Just some sand that will rub off once it's dry. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that little bit so far. Yeah, I'm slowly waking my way back up north. Yeah, St Chad's Hotel. St Chad's, that's what that used to be there. Plans for a new hotel. Hotel, which is always popular. Yeah, right, let's continue this walk. Yeah, and across the road here we've got the Woodhouse Hotel, which of course is open to the public for food and drink. So we've even got somebody outside trying to get people in as well. So that's quite a popular place now. Yeah. Woodhouse Hotel. There seems to be another one there called Sapphire Hotel Blackpool Promenade. I don't know if anybody stayed there or not. Quite popular. One or two hotels popping up this side of Central Pier that look like they've had some money spent on them and attracting a few people in. Yeah, this is the Sapphire Hotel Promenade. Yeah. This is Smash Burger place on the edge of Trafalgar Road. Look at the state of this. State of this hotel. So much potential, but then they've got to be able to fill it, haven't they? I've just come across this Southways Private Hotel. That doesn't even have the Blackpool dialing code in front of it. Didn't even notice this before. Yeah, anybody know anything about this? Still noticing different things all the time I come along here. Obviously the front of it has got some goods in it now. Royal Windsor Hotel tonight from 8:30, disco, bingo, karaoke, non-residents including children welcome till midnight. Up to the Manchester. Yeah, so upstairs they've got a family pub upstairs with children's play area. This is where the away supporters tend to gather on the Blackpool games, like I mentioned before. Pool table in there, and obviously the family side is upstairs. Royal Sea Bank. Mark Kelly's on the prom. As ever, always busy. Not very busy inside. That's a few sitting there, grabbing the last bit of sun. And there's Prime Burger, Blackpool here. Burgers for £1, cheeseburgers £1.50, double cheeseburger. You can read it all. Very popular, been here a few weeks. Don't forget Chris around the corner, Hamburger Bar. But yeah, he's always busy.
But he's only got a foot.
Getting back to Central now, as you can see. Really, really busy.
Really?
Right, we're at Central Pier. So I'm going to leave the video there because otherwise it's going to get too long. I hope you enjoyed this video on the 31st of July, tea time in Blackpool. There is a bit of a breeze, so just hopefully you can hear me on the last bit. And I'll catch you all again very, very soon. Bye bye for now.